Namaste. Welcome to the today's part of Forbes in the UK. I'm Shoma Chatterjee. On our team, I would like to welcome Ms. Shashi on this platform to share her thoughts and how she managed her COVID fighting. She is a mom, she is an entrepreneur, she is a director in her own family business, she is a Reiki healer. So please join us for this today's session and let's see how she helped her and her family to cope with this situation. Hi Shashi, welcome on the
Hi,
show.
hi Shoma ji, and hello to all the viewers of Khwab Zindagi Ke.
Hello. So how are you doing now?
I'm well, quite fine on the recovery stage.
Very nice to hear that. So you are from Delhi?
Yeah,
Okay. So you are born and brought up in Delhi
yep,
from
yeah,
complete
my
Delhi wala.
complete Delhi wala.
Okay. So when this COVID thing happened with your family, when it happened?
Well, I'll say in the Navratras, April, it
Hmm.
entered into family. My brother-in-law got infected first,
Oh,
but he was just down with 99 fever for 3 4 days. So we were just thinking that it is because of other problems he had. But then just this clicked into our mind, and we isolated him. And then when he got his test done, my husband was along with him. So on the other day, my husband also felt ill. So then we had this thing in mind that it is somewhere related to COVID. Then my brother-in-law was he was diagnosed positive, and his treatment started. But like he was mildly infected, so he recovered fast. He recovered within 8 9 days with Feviflow and all. But then my husband, my husband contracted, and then the other day my daughter, who was 6 at that time, and she was about to get 7 next week, so she contracted fever. So we had this in mind that the virus has entered the house now. So my husband actually got critical after 7 days of illness. uh, the initial 7 days he was fine with 99 fever, and like he was fine, he was doing okay, there was no such problem. But on the seventh, in fact my husband RT-PCR was negative. I would like to
oh,
add that it was, the CT value was 40, and we were like maybe it is wrong diagnosed, because at that time RT-PCRs were not that trustworthy.
during
But then
Navratras, you said, no?
yeah, my husband was on the on Navmi. Okay,
Okay.
on Navmi he got his first temperature. So at that time, there were no medicines available. There was no
Mhm.
doctors available. It was so hard to take online appointment, and I have to really, rush for the medicines, because the normal crocine was not also available,
Yeah,
especially
it was very hard
especially
in Delhi.
yeah, especially in the East Delhi now, our entire colony was infected. And we were the persons who were taking so much of precaution since last year. Even till today, our house is being disinfected every 10 days. We are sanitizing everything that is coming from outside. We are
Hmm.
not going outside. But yet, the infection entered. So now we can say that I don't think there would be anyone left. Everyone has to get infected anyhow, but it is like
How many of your, like you said, your brother-in-law got
brother-in-law.
infected,
Yeah.
then your husband infected, two
The
people
next
in
day,
your family.
then the next day, my daughter got down with
Okay.
viral. So
How
then
old she is?
6 years.
6 years.
Then
Oh.
I was taking care of my daughter, and I got isolated with her. And on the fifth day, her reports came. So she was positive. So then I had this in feeling that somewhere I would also contract the infection, because I was so close to her since she was so small. And my son, who is 14, he was also along with us. But luckily, his RT-PCR was negative. And then like on the say on 29th of April, I
Mhm.
had a little 99.4 temperature. So I got my RT-PCR done, and then I knew that I was being positive, because as I was with my daughter. But
Correct.
Then when my this thing my results come, they were positive, and but I was like, I was not having much fever till 10th day. I was quite fine. After the 10th day, my body started draining, like it had
The
immense,
symptoms have started coming up.
yeah, it had weakness, like I suffered from immense weakness, muscle pain and all that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
My husband then with me, my father-in-law also got infected, because
Oh,
actually what happened was on 4th of May, my husband got serious. Actually he couldn't took the stress, or I don't know what. His temperature rose to 103, and we think that somewhere वो कहते हैं ना दिमाग में बुखार चढ़ जाना, it was
mm-hmm.
there on his mind, and he just started rushing here and there. His oxygen level dropped to 89, so we got a little anxious. Then
Oxygen level dropped to 89.
89, yeah.
Oh
And like
God.
we were just about, we had booked a room in the hospital on phone.
Very lucky that you got the hospital bed.
But we didn't went over there. We got it booked. We arranged for the oxygen cylinders as well within half
Mm-hmm.
an hour. My dad, my father-in-law, he did it all in half an hour. Then my dad and my brothers, they made us understand. My husband also, they made us understand that there is no point in going to hospital. You just calm down. It is all stress that is spoiling the situations, because
Mm-hmm.
the
Correct.
CT value of my husband was 7. We got the CT scan done, it was 7.
Mm-hmm.
So as per the doctors, it was a mild infection, but because of the high fever and all the family conditions, I think he got stressed, so he couldn't take that stress. So then we calmed him down, we connected with a pulmonologist luckily on the other day, and
Mm-hmm.
then after that antibiotics and all, he started recovering, he felt better. Neither we required the oxygen cylinder, neither we required admission, because
Mm-hmm.
at that time the hospital's conditions were very bad, as we have
Oh,
heard.
it was worse in Delhi.
It was
Worse.
worse.
It was
People
a
were not being
nightmare.
yeah, people were not being taken care of. There was nobody to ask for waters and anything, so we didn't wanted that anyhow. So like luckily we survived.
Mm.
And
So
I would add, on 4th of May, it was my daughter's birthday. She's so small, she was waiting for her dad to come into the room and wish her, and dad was like almost
that happened.
collapsed.
That very, very, I mean, very stressful situation you all went through. Your
Yeah,
family.
that three
Totally,
days
it was
was
dreadful.
3 days were so stressful. Either my
Hmm.
husband, he was out of control. Either dad,
Mm-hmm.
he had 103 fever. But dad, just seeing his son, he was like, he was keeping patience. तो आप ये सोचो, I was then what we decided, me, dad and my husband, we were in the same floor. ठीक है, second floor we took it all, and we were there with each other, we slept in the same room and all. So at one point I was keeping the cold fermentation on my husband, on the other hand on dad, and here even I was not able to stand. So that 3 4 days was so tough now, I can't tell you. But I
It
have
was
to,
kind of exam God was taking
yeah,
from
yeah,
you.
actually, but I trust divine. So I was
Hmm.
like, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा, हो
Being a
जाएगा.
Reiki healer,
हो रहा है सब, मतलब I always feel everything is going right, whatever is happening for good. In class 6th I've read this, Ishwaram yat
hmm,
karoti shobnam karoti. That statement now, it has fixed in my mind, and I truly believe that.
that
कितनी
is
टफ शोमा जी मेरे लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स आई या कहीं पे भी मैं फंसती हूँ ना, आई ऑलवेज से दिस, ईश्वरम यत करोति शोभनम करोति. जो हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है, रीज़न हमें बाद में पता चलता है. तो
hmm,
मैंने इससे क्या निकाला कि मे बी बिकॉज डैड वॉज इन्फेक्टेड, my husband was infected and they cannot stay alone, they cannot stay alone. Husband was like, मुझे सिर्फ तेरे पास आना है. तो I was like कि हमसिनी is with me, my
yeah, we
daughter.
understand.
हाँ,
So it was
हम
a very, very dreadful situation you all went through. So how you manage the food and the other things, how you did it?
actually, actually, Mama, luckily, Mama was not infected, my
Mm-hmm.
mother-in-law. So mama and my son and my sister-in-law, so they were like, mama used to cook and they used to keep it on the
Okay.
stairs. We used to pick it up all in the disposables and all.
Mhm.
So we
So you
managed it
all
that way.
were going through as a tough family who will not bend their heads in any way, right?
No, my mother-in-law is very strong person.
So how did you kept yourself engaged during this hard time? I mean, taking care of both the patients, taking care of yourself. Were you able to see your healing side, the Reiki, which you have learned since 10 years? Were you able to concentrate on that?
Well, see, my my viewing of things is very different. uh, if you talk to other healers, and if I talk about myself, I don't think that we need long hours to connect. We just need a second to connect. So when I connect, I get the power to work, and that is what was required at that situation, because I needed strength to take care. And if I was able to take care, so as a result says, now like my husband is quite well. We are suffering from major weakness, but yet at least the things are out of danger. It will go by time, that's for sure.
Hmm.
But
So,
I'll just give this message to everyone: please, please, please be into yoga. Please follow pranayams. These two are actually really happening, really helping. If unfortunately anyone gets infected, at least you won't get that serious. This is my personal experience. A healthy diet and
very nice.
yoga and meditation.
Very
This
nice to
will
hear
help me
that.
out of this. Yeah.
Very nice.
Pranayams
So,
are for me.
as a proven warrior now,
Yeah.
how you will say that how you suggest others to win the battle with their inner healing, with their inner confidence, how they will do it?
See, I'll say Corona
What are
is
your plans forward? What are your
yeah.
plans forward?
I'll just come there. I'll say to everyone, Corona is like a vampire Morbius. If it is not being taken seriously, it will be followed by Dracula. I mean to say that if Corona is there in the throat and nose, you will recover. But as it enters the lungs, the condition that happened to my husband, where he was his RT-PCR was negative, but he contracted pneumonia. There the condition gets worse, where the patient loses his you know his confidence. He gets so anxious because the body and mind are lost. So I would just suggest that it is a very stressful disease, so you need to keep patient, you need to keep yourself calm, and you just have to, follow a healthy diet, because in this, what is happening, diet is helping more than the medicines, because there is no fixed medicine. It is just all hit and trial. Like Fevipar was good for me.
Yeah.
It helped me. It hit me like the first dose. I was like, I'm quite okay. But my husband and my dad, they were like, for them, Fevipar was not working. Nothing worked from them. No Crocin worked from them. Worked for them. No Fevipar worked for them. It was the prednisone high dose that worked for them. ठीक है, so we can't say that this medicine will work for everybody. So it is actually our mind. We have to uh, believe in divine, that our body is a complete healer, and we can heal it ourselves. It is all the game of mind and immune system, what I have felt with coronavirus. You need
Great,
to
great to hear that you are so much into this healing theory, that healing
yeah,
effects and healing practice
since
that you just made it through.
Yeah, since 1 year, I'm just praying. Every day, my prayer is just this: Ki Mother Earth, please raise the vibrations of every human to fight with this coronavirus pandemic. Because, see, this is going to be there. We can't think that it will go off, because it was here till ages. The black fungus was here with ages. But actually, this is a lifestyle. that has broken down the immune system,
Hmm.
and the people with weak mind are being spoiled in the disease, I would say
Are
this.
more prone to the
Are
disease.
more prone to, you can't say, some people are so asymptomatic, like we can't say that from where did we
Mm-hmm.
got infected. Maybe any child was asymptomatic and we received from that. Like my daughter, she just recovered in 3 days. She just had
Hmm.
fever, but yeah, I was seeing that she was very lethargic, and she was like, mama bas mujhe lete rehna hai, mujhe nahi utna hai. So I was seeing that in this that things in her, but
Okay.
nothing serious.
Mm-hmm.
But like just
So in
my,
your
huh?
recovery phase,
Yeah.
the food activities you followed, can you please give us an insight on that?
Food activities, food you said, huh?
Food habits, what you
Food
followed,
habit.
like
Well, I will just suggest 3 4 things that had
hmm,
actually helped us.
mhm.
At the time, 8th day of the illness, we lost our diets. We were not able to eat anything. मतलब अंदर से बिल्कुल मन ही नहीं कर रहा था. तो that day, Mama used to give us munakka.
Acha. Okay. Good source
Uh,
of calcium.
it is actually in the earlier times also, in the typhoid, pneumonia, or whenever these disease contracted, mama used to give us munakka. उसको स्टोव पे हल्का ऐसे सेक के और उस पर सॉल्ट लगा के, तो 4 5 pieces of that munakka used to give us energy
Hmm.
at that time when we could not eat.
Okay.
तो munakka, dry fruits, and then when we started recovering a little, then we came on non-veg diet. चिकन ब्रोथ सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है इसमें. चिकन एंड
Mm-hmm.
वेजिटेबल ब्रोथ सबसे सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है. That actually it heals the lungs, and generally we just say that asthmatic people, like I'm allergic asthmatic,
Oh.
so it really helps in strengthening the lungs and all. Then we took some homeopathy medicines and ayurvedic as well. The
Hmm.
ayurvedic giloy powder helped a lot because it is a natural immune buster. We had that homemade kada and all. It helped in relieving the sore throat, and it also
Hmm.
gave the energy that was required to stand.
Okay.
And
So very good to hear that about your fooding habits, which are a little bit different being a non-vegetarian. For vegetarians, yes, there is lots of pulses and paneer, but for the
I,
non-vegetarians,
I'll add to this. Actually, uh, we are the typical Banya families. Non-veg is not allowed in our family. But in this illness, mom said that if you can get well by eating anything, you go ahead. So this is the first time non-veg has
break the
entered into
rules,
my house.
break the rules, and do
Break the
whatever
rules.
possible.
Yeah, whatever can make you stand.
Okay. So, what are your suggestions and advice on the to our audience? What will you suggest to them?
I'll suggest, please don't take corona lightly. It is not a normal cold and cough. Like people have started saying, अरे कोई बात नहीं, cold and cough हो जाता है. It is not normal cold and cough. If you contract the disease, unfortunately, you will feel that it makes your body, it makes the muscles sore, it makes you so weak. So I would say that please follow a healthy lifestyle. This corona has come up just to give you this lesson that human race is actually deteriorating its health, its immune system, because of the heavy lifestyle, the fast lifestyle. So you really need to look upon that. And what else?
As a
Um,
healer,
yeah.
as a Reiki healer, what all you suggest? How to heal yourself, your mind?
Okay. See, there's a very simple formula.
In
Everybody has
simple one line, how will you say?
simple one line. Listen to your inner self.
Hmm.
It is always true what it says about you, and
Okay.
follow your heart.
Oh, wow. That's very nice to hear that. Listen to your heart, listen to your inner self to heal yourself from inside. So hopefully now all your family members are perfectly fine, doing good.
I won't say that they're perfectly fine. Actually, like my husband is having some knee issues, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm having some muscle soreness and all,
Mm-hmm.
because I had some health issues earlier also. So like they have been now exploded, actually.
So very nice to hear that you all are safe and on your path of recovery. And the golden advice which you gave today, that look for your inner self.
Yeah.
Lo- in Look for your inner self and listen to your inner feelings. Only then on you can win the battle.
Yeah, I always say that listen to your soul. Your soul knows how to heal yourself. Your body is made in such a way, God has created this body in such a way that it can heal any disease. It can heal any
Mm-hmm.
disease itself. It doesn't require anything from outside. It is just you you get to know yourself from inside, and you will be relieved from anything, any physical, emotional, koi bhi tension.
Mm, very nice. It was very nice talking to you, listening to your words, and really appreciate that as a healer, you took time to give us the golden words, golden thoughts, golden advice of listen to your inner first. Listen to your mind, your body first. Understand that and proceed as per the needs.
Actually.
So, wrapping up the session now, thank you so much for being with us. Thank you to each and everyone. Thank you to you. Thank you to the audience who are listening to us. And be in touch. Get yourself recovered. We'll catch you again.
Thank you,
Namaste.
Shomaji. Thank you for the beautiful session.
Thank you.